Practice set 6.3 second example. Find the mode of the use of the electricity. Use of the electricity and the number of families are given. This one is the frequency and outside are the classes. Means the 30 families utilizing the electricity in between 0 unit to 20 units. 50 families utilizing the electricity in between the 20 to 40 units. 70 family utilizing the electricity in between the 40 to 60 units. 100 family using the electricity in between the units 60 to 80 units. Then 80 families utilizing the electricity the unit in between 80 to 100 units, and the 17 families utilizing the 100 units to 120 units. So in between 100 units to 120 units, you have to find out the mode of the find the mode of the use of the electricity. You have to find out. So you have to write class here, frequency here, class 1 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 100 and 100 to 120, and the frequency is 13, 50, 70, 100, 80 and 17. So you have to find out the maximum frequency. Which one is the maximum frequency? This one is the maximum frequency. So this class is called as the model class. This is the frequency of the model class. Frequency succeeding the model class. Frequency succeeding the model class is F0. Frequency preceding the model class is F0. Frequency succeeding the model class is F2. This is the lower limit of the model class is 60. Height of the model class is upper limit minus lower limit. 80 minus 60 is equal to 20. You have to put these values properly in the formula. So maximum frequency is 100. So model class is 60 to 80. Lower limit of the model class is 60. Height of the model class is 20. F1 is the frequency of the model class is 100. Then the frequency of the class preceding the model class is 70. F2 is the frequency of the class succeeding the model class is 80. Then you have to utilize the formula of mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 upon twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. So you have to put the value L is 60 plus F1 is 100 minus 70 upon 2 into F1 is 2 into 100 minus F0 is 70 minus 80 into H is 20. So 60 as it is you have to write this 100 minus 70 is equal to 30. This 2 multiplied by 100 is equal to 200. Minus 70 minus 80 is equal to minus 150 into 120. You have to find out the difference. This difference will come 50. 30 multiplied by 20 is equal to 600. This 51 the 50, 50 12 the 600. Those 60 plus 12 is equal to 72. So you have to say that mode for the use of the electricity of the families is equal to 72 units. In this way, you have to find out the mode by the formula for the group frequency distribution. I think you understand all these things. You have to write all these things in the classwork notebook properly. Thank you.